Hello friends, today we are going to solve some problems based on modulus function. So, here is a question, what given you see first, okay. So, here if f and g are two functions mapping from R to R and defined as f of x is equal to modulus of x plus x and g of x is defined as this modulus of x minus x for all x belong to capital R, real number set. Okay, then find fog FOG and GOF GOF. Composition of function, you know it, and hence find fog of minus 3 and fog of 5 and GOF of minus 2. Okay. So, this kind of function where modulus function is there, okay, we have to redefine them. So, first step you have to do is, first you redefine them. Okay. So, now first we redefine this f of x and g of x, because here modulus of x is given. So, solution. So, redefine this one f of x plus x, okay, and you know that modulus function what? Now this is what? Now when x is greater than or equal to 0, that time you get x absolute value, and when x less than 0, then we get minus x. Okay, x is here negative, negative into negative, this becomes positive value. Okay, so here we can define similarly. See, this will be remain same x when x greater than equal to 0, this, and x plus x plus x, okay, and this minus x plus x if x less than 0. Okay. Yes or no? Yes. Now you can write x plus x is equal to what? 2x. Now a minus x plus x is equal to 0. So, you can write here 0. Okay. Now, we define g of x, this function. So, g of x, that is x modulus x Okay, when x is greater than is equal to 0, that time this is remains same, x minus x. Okay, and when x less than 0, then this minus x minus x. Okay, now you see x minus x is equal to 0. So you can write here 0. Okay, now minus x is equal to minus 2x. Here you can write minus 2x. Okay, when x is less than 0, means x is negative. If you put here negative value, then negative minus into minus becomes plus. So this value is now positive. Okay, positive value. This is 0, this 0, and this is positive. Now we find the fog and gulf. Okay, here function is f of x, this function, this and this. Okay, we use now these. Okay, now you find gulf, g of f of x, that can be written as g of f of x, this. Okay, now you can write here when x is greater than equal to 0, when x is greater than or equal to 0, here then f of x is equal to 2x. Yes, so in this place we can write 2x. So g of 2x. Okay, now when x is less than 0, when x is less than 0, that time f of x is equal to what? 0. So you can write g of 0. F of x is x less than 0. So here 0. Okay. Now you can write this the same here. G of 2x. 2x is here positive. 2x is positive. So here positive. So for positive value, here input is 2x. So here this positive value g of x is 0. So you can write here g of positive value is equal to 0. So 0, x greater than 0. And now x less than 0. Here you see 0, g of 0. When x equal to 0, input is 0. When input is 0, x is equal to 0 also. So here input is 0, then we are getting 0. So g of 0 is 0. Okay, you can write like this. Yes. Now we find fog. This can be written as f of g of x, that is, here you see, when if x is greater than 0, if x is greater than 0, that means here you see g of x, x is greater than 0, then you get 0 for g of x. So you can write 0 here, 0. Okay. Now x is less than 0. X is less than 0. So when x is less than 0, then g of x is minus 2x. So here you write minus 2x. Okay. Okay. Now next step. See, when x is greater than equal to 0 and when x is less than 0, see, input is 0, input is 0, f of x function, when we give input x, x is greater than equal to 0, then we write 2x. Okay. So here the input is 0 already, so we use this one. So 2 into 0. Okay. Now here you see this value minus 2x. Here x is less than 0 means x is negative into this negative is equal to positive. So this value is positive now. This value is positive. So as it is positive, so we use what? F of x. This is positive. Okay. So we use this function here also. So you can write 2 into, here x is, in the place of x, f of x, this minus 2x we can write. Okay. And you know 2 into 0 is what? 2 into 0 is what? 0. And 2 into minus 2, minus 4 and x, minus 4x. So you can write this one, minus 4x. So now we got GOF of x is 0 for x greater than 0, and GOF of x is 0 when x is less than 0. Fog of x, that is equal to 0 when x is greater than or equal to 0, and fog of x is minus 4x when x is less than 0. Okay. Now we find this this and this. Okay. So now fog of -3. This is what? Less than 0. Less than 0. Fog function, this less than 0. So we use this one. Okay. So fog is equal to -4 here. -3, that is equal to 12. Okay. Now fog of 5, that is see, when x is greater than equal to 0, that time that is 0. So this value is 0. Now GOF of -2. Is equal to GOF. When this x value is less than 0, then we get 0. So this is equal to 0. So you can find like this. Okay. Now we find the range of the function f of x, that is equal to modulus of x minus 1, this whole divided by x minus 1. Okay. So now we find the range of the function f. So here also modulus, yes or no? So we redefine this function. So solution, f of x, that is this function we first redefine. Okay. First this function. See, when x is equal to 1 or greater than 1, then this value remains same because that is positive. Okay, absolute value. So when x is equal to 1 or greater than 1, then this function, this x minus 1. Okay. So if you put here 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. If 2, then 1 means positive value you get. Now if this x less than 1, then this inside value is negative. So to get the absolute value, we have to give negative sign before it. This. Okay. Now we find this function f of x, that is x minus 1 by x minus 1. Okay. Here when x is equal to 1 or greater than 1, then this value is x minus 1 by x minus 1. Okay, this value is x minus 1. Here instead of this you can write x minus 1. Okay, that is, and when x is less than 1, then this we can write minus x minus 1 by x minus 1. Okay, so this function f is this cancel, you get 1, this minus 1. So if x is greater than or equal to 1, then you get 1. If x is less than 1, you get minus 1. So whatever value you give, you will get two output. One is this one, another is minus 1. So range of this function is, range of f is this 1 minus 1. Understood? See. Okay. So whenever modulus is there, you redefine the function. Okay, and do.